So it's Tuesday. I am about to head into the city. It's going to be a long day in Toronto today. I have a really fun event slash adventure planned for later this afternoon. First of all, I'm going to meet a client and check out their new condo. So we're going to do that first, and then I'll have some time to catch up on some work, and then the event starts I think at like 2:30, 2:45. I will try to vlog a bit of it for you guys, but I know that I'm going to be super busy trying to get content because it is a campaign, so I have to shoot specific content for it. But I will try, or I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. I'm just getting dressed now. I don't really know if this is what I want to wear. The weather's kind of hard right now because it's like -3 outside, but it's going to be warmer today, so I think I'm gonna change my sweater, change up the vibe I'm going for.
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
Okay, so this is the adventure I'm on today. There's a little brief going on. I haven't started it yet, but Darlene is here. She is starting to vlog as well, so we'll link her handle down below as well. I'm gonna try to catch some footage across Toronto because it's been a while since I've been running around town. It's a little chilly, so we're gonna have to hopefully make good time, and I hope that you guys can hear me. It's a little bit loud, but we'll see. So let's go. Oh yeah, this is what I'm wearing. You'll see it in my weekly what I wore video, but apparently everyone dressed in all black and I did not know that was a thing. So next time we go on a spy hunt, that's what I'm wearing. What to do with my hair right now. I woke up with the biggest cowlick. This is already tamed. Like I already put water on it. Try to have it with my hair down. It didn't work. I'm trying it up with like a semi samurai bun right now. I'm not really feeling it. But anyways, I am like onto my third outfit of the day because I'm shooting new content at home. Oh yes, it is Wednesday. I'm exhausted from yesterday's day. It was so fun, but I am exhausted. Maybe I'll like just cut out the top of my head for this video. I'm wearing my Gap pink chinos, which I'm also loving. I have a lot of things to do today. I want to make a couple of videos, so I'm gonna get to it. I just wanted to check in, show you my crazy hair. Like I don't know what to do. It's Friday. It's been a day or two since I vlogged last. I just had a lot of work to do yesterday, and I actually cooked a lot, but the camera actually ran out of batteries, so I couldn't film me cooking, but I'll do that next week. I just filmed this outfit for you guys for the What I Wore This Week video. I'm going to get my nails done now, so I'm gonna try to bring you along with me. Okay, so I forgot to charge my AirPods yesterday, I am down to one charger in the home for 2 people. I just went and bought 2 new ones for Trav and I because I left it at the event on Tuesday. So yeah, I don't have my AirPods charged, so I'm using my regular headphones. There's a little shop called Shopee that I've been wanting to check out in Guelph, so let's go. Sun is like super crazy right now, so the lighting's gonna be off because it was literally fine like 2 seconds ago, and now I'm in the sun. Let's just wait a second for me to get in the shade. Alright, I'm in the shade. You can kind of see me better. So how cute was that shop? I had been eyeing it on Instagram for a while, but I haven't had time to like really go there because if you don't walk to downtown Guelph, it's kind of hard to find parking. And yeah, super cute. I got a jumpsuit that I will show you. maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear it to Ikea tomorrow. Alright guys, we just finished at Ikea and hopefully Travis is being a butt because he won't let me film. We went to Ikea and I got my customized closet. He's turning on the radio. And we are hopefully gonna build it tomorrow, if not today. And he's about to press the button again. He won't let me show you his face, but this is what the back of the car looks like right now. You're on my last nerve. And then I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It's raining a lot today. It's like raining 5 millimeters an hour, which is insane, and it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I'm not looking forward to that. Anyways, we have to get home and clean the house because we're having some people over, and then hopefully start the closet process just because I want to get everything out for spring, and like hopefully that will make spring come faster. I don't know. Sunday, it snowed overnight and there's so much snow. That's crazy. It is April next week, like we're at March 29th. What day is it? It's March 31st and we got that much snow. Like, I don't know what to do. I was so happy on Friday and now I'm a little bit sad because I just feel like the year is not progressing weather-wise. We just woke up. We're cooking our regular big breakfast. We always have like a big breakfast once a week. And then we are going to go to Hudson's Bay and start our registry because we have to do that because I keep getting asked where I'm registered and I haven't done that. And I wanted to do it with Travis, so we're gonna try to do that too. Okay, it is, I think, 10:30. Travis is, stop! It is about 10:30. We are about to head out to Hudson's Bay. If you see snow flying into the camera, that's because Travis is whipping it at me. And we are going to Hudson's Bay to get our registry done. Stop it! You can see all this snow on the trees. Okay, like, look at all the snow that I am being attacked with right now. Like, what? We are home from the registry adventure. I think we spent like 2 hours there. We didn't get everything done because they don't have like everything there. There's a lot of items that we want that we will search for online, but right now we are going to try to finish the closet and I'm going to edit the vlog so that it can be up hopefully later tonight, if not tomorrow. And I'll just show you the mess really quickly. So Travis built those this morning. I pushed everything to the side, so it is a crazy mess. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope that you're liking these ones, and let me know if you like the daily ones or weekly ones better. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you'd like, and I'll see you so soon.